everyone, welcome to Nurture. My name is Siddhi Bansal and in this video we will see how to create modules and ways in which we can import them. Now before starting off with module creation, let's just understand what a module is. So a module is a file with .py extension in which you can store variables, functions or classes. Now modules are of two types. Number one is built-in. These modules are already defined and you cannot make changes to these modules. Number two is user defined. Now these are the modules which a user can create on its own. Now let's dive into module creation. I am using Spyder here. You can use online editors like Google Colab. Now first I will save my file. You can give any name. I am giving my_mod.py. Do not forget to save the file with .py extension. In this module, I will create functions. So the first function will take on two numbers as parameters and add them. And it will print the sum. Now, second function will give me the difference between two numbers. Okay. Now after successfully creating these functions, I will create one new file and I will save this file. Make sure that you are saving the file in the same folder wherein you have saved your module. So I will just give the name as m.py and save this one. Now how to use the module or how to import that module in this file? In order to do so, I will write import and module name. So my module name is my_mod. So now what this line will do, this line will import the module and all the functions which are inside the module. To use those functions, I will write my_mod, which is module name, dot the function name, and I will pass in the parameters like 4, 3. Now after running, it is giving me the output. Ignore this line because it is just reloading the module. Now just like that, I can run the second function also by adding the module name dot the function name and by passing two parameters. Now I run this, it is giving me the sum is this and the difference is this. Now if you've noticed, I have to write my_mod 2 times. This is fine if I have two functions, but what if I have more than two functions? Then I don't want to write my_mod every time. So I can just do one thing. I can import the module as any other name. Like I will import my_mod as m and I will just replace my mod with m. And after running, you can see you're getting the same output. So this is the second way to import a module. Okay, now I don't want to write m dot and m dot every time. So for that, I have one more thing. I will write from the module name import asterisk. Now what this will do, this will import all the functions or the variables or the classes which you have inside the module. And I can simply write the name of the function and I'll pass in the parameters and I will write sub 7, 1. Now when I run this, you can see there is no change in the output. This was the third method. The last and the final method is wherein I only want to import one function. So I can write from module name import and then function name. My function name is add and then I will just write add and I will pass in two parameters. And if I run this, you can see it is giving me the correct output. So in this way, you can import your module. Also, to sum up, a module is a Python file in which you can store variables, classes or functions. It acts like a Python file only, and there are 4 different ways to import a module in Python. So a module in Python, it will help you arrange the code, like you can group the related code and you can easily import that file too. So this was all on module creation. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.